Study our first lesson of an integrated marketing communication of second year graduation BA. Okay, so meaning of IMC. First I have to understand. IMC means what? Integrating all the promotional tools so that they work in harmony. It is an approach used by the organizations to brand and coordinate their communication efforts. Means what? If suppose any company wants to launch their product in the market, so this company, what they will do, they will find the advertisement agencies, they will give the contact to the advertisement agencies, and these advertising agencies play the role, very important role among the means companies and the users. Okay, it is a triangular purposes. So these company agencies, advertising agencies, they will do the promotion on behalf of the company to the target audience. Okay, so IMC means integrating. Integrating means what? Combining, joining all the promotional tools, whatever tools or equipment it may be, so that they work in harmony. So all this work in harmony means unitedly. It is an approach used by the organization to a brand and coordinate their communication efforts. So these advertising agencies plays a very important role. They are the coordinator among the companies and the target audience. So their main task is to give their best advertisement so as to attract a large number of people, and in this way these agencies, they are charging some amount of money from the company who are doing who is willing to do the advertisement. Okay, so on behalf of those advertising these companies, these advertising agencies, they are doing the advertisement. So meaning is very clear. Means IMC means integrating, joining all the promotional tools so that they work in harmony. It is an approach used by the organization to brand and coordinate their communication efforts. So means what? Advertisement. For one more example I would like to add here, you might have seen during 2014 that advertisement became very popular. Wherever we are going, everywhere we were seeing the advertisement. Ab ki baar Modi Sarkar, wherever, means on a billboard, okay, on hoarding, on at petrol pump, in television, everywhere. So it why they gave this contact to the IMC, integrated marketing communication. It become very effective when things it is repeated twice, thrice. Okay, then it fits in our mind. So the target audience, they comes to know, yes, this brand is good. So everywhere when they are making repetition of advertisement, then what happened? Then the audience, they knew it very well. So okay, so means advertisements are coming too much. It means that the brand is very effective. So that's why the buyers, they will purchase the product, and in this way the company will get the revenue. So everywhere we saw, even today also, if we see at the petrol pump, the advertisement of vaccine is very much dominant at petrol pump. You might have seen the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's photo, and they are expressing their gratitude regarding the free vaccination to the masses of our country. So when this integrated marketing skill has become very effective in present scenario. Earlier what happened, when there was a radio and television, so that medium is a conventional, or we can say traditional modes of media, but that media is very passive. So nowadays nobody is watching that television. Hardly some of a few, means might be 10% people or 20% people are watching this television in the house. But what happened, most of the people, near about 90 crores of the people, they are using social media. Okay, so if suppose you the company want to make the promotion, what the company will do, it will give the contact to the advertisement agencies, then they will put the same ad in the social media platform, and this is an art. Okay, this IMC, these agencies, whatever advertisement they are making, they are doing the communication in a artistic way, so that to target the end user, means buyers. Okay, their target is the buyers who will purchase their goods. Okay, so for example, when this dairy milk, when it came in 1988, so what happened, that product was for small kids. So then at the time of Diwali, so there was adulterated sweets. Okay, so what happened, then competition took place between sweet shop and this dairy milk. So the dairy milk replaced the sweet at the time of Diwali. Why? Because there was adulteration. So then this dairy milk product became very much popular among not only small kids but also among adulthood, young, old, all people, they started eating it. So in this way there is a competition. If you will not make the advertisement, so what will happen, your consumer, they does not know you, they will forget you. So in order to keep your presence in the market, so this advertising is very important. Okay, that's why integrated marketing communication has become very much the dominant tool nowadays. Why? Because if now you will not do the ad, what will happen, your rival competitor will come in the market, and in this way your customer, they will divert to some other company's product. For example, when we are going in the market, so suppose I want to purchase the soap, so what will happen, there will be a variety of soap present in the market, Lux, Lifebuoy, okay, Nirma, and Dove, so many. So what happened, so there I will go, first I will think of my purchasing power, whether I am going to afford it or not. So the different brands are in different packing. So it is up to my willpower, it is up to my economic powers, it is up to my economic power whether I will purchase it or not. Economically, if I am strong, financially if I am strong, then definitely I will not think about the money, directly I will purchase it. If a person is poor, he is from middle class, so he cannot purchase that Dose or Lux, okay, he will prefer some other brand. Okay, so in this way there is a competition in the market. In the market there is a competition. In order to show your presence in the market, so this integrated marketing communications takes place, and all these companies, they are giving their order of advertisement to this integrated marketing communication, and in this way what happened, they are doing the promotion. Okay, they are doing the promotion of your product. Okay, the Lifebuoy is nice, it is economical. Okay, Lux is very costly, you purchase these, salesmen they are coming and they are doing the ad, different types of ad, and in this way what happened, there is a competition, and all the rival competitors, they are following different strategies so as to promote their product in the market. Okay, now come to the definitions of IMC. The coordination and integration of all the marketing communication tools, avenues means routes, and sources within a company into a seamless program that maximizes the impact on consumers and other end users at a minimum cost. Means what? This IMC, integrated coordination and integration of all the marketing communication tools. So what will happen, these advertisement agencies, what they will do, they will implement all their tools at the time of advertisement. Okay, they will employ their efforts and energy so as to make your this advertisement campaign successful. Okay, avenues means routes, and source within a company into a seamless means what? Flawless, without any mistake. This advertisement agency, they will do your advertisement without any mistake, so that maximizes the impact on consumer. Once your advertisement becomes successful, so in this way what will happen, the company will generate the revenue from their consumers. Consumer means who is utilizing the goods, and other end user at a minimum cost. So this is known as, this is the definitions of IMC. So IMC means what? it is an instant advertisement. In short, you can understand just like instant advertisement. So instant advertisement is very important nowadays. If you not do the instant advertisement, what will happen? Some other company will take your place, and in this way you will be not in the race in the market. Okay, that's why integrated marketing skill nowadays has become very much popular. First, whenever whatever product you are having, you give the contact to the company, they will do the advertisement, billboard, they will publish your advertisement in newspaper. Okay, they will publish your advertisement on hoarding at petrol pump, just like Modi what he did. So then your advertisement they will publish in the social media platform. So in this way, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. So what will happen? Your brand will become popular. Okay, and branding is very important. And for branding your product, what is important? You have to give your quality. Your product must fulfill the desired needs of the consumer. If product is not up to the mark, then nobody will purchase. Okay, so for branding is very important. So whisper campaigning, different types of advertisements are there. Whisper campaigning means to say in the ear regarding the product. And once your product is means branded, it's a good product, then definitely your customer will become the referral. Okay, if suppose I purchase laptop, HP laptop is very nice. So what will happen? I will tell my friend, yes, you purchase the HP laptop. It is having a good features, okay, and it is having good offer at Amazon and Flipkart. So then what will happen? Once the branding becomes strong, so your customer will automatically, they will become loyal to you, and they will do the whisper campaigning, by mouth recommendation they will give you to their friends, and in this way the company, they will generate the revenue from the consumer. Okay, so now have you understood? Definition means the coordination and integration of all the tools in the advertisement avenues by following different routes. That task is done by the advertising agencies, and source within a company into a seamless means there should not be a mistake. Okay, without any mistake, this they are the professional, they are doing very good advertisement. Okay, for example, some advertisement I will tell you later on. Seamless program that maximize the impact on consumer, and it is having an everlasting impact upon the minds of the consumer, means user, and other end user at a minimum cost. Then what will happen? Once they will get satisfied, then what will happen? They will purchase your product. Okay, and end user, it will reach up to the end user. So this is the definition of the IMC. The example for this is that we can say, take a very simple example. If suppose any company wants to make the promotion of their product, for example medicine company. Okay, so what happened? Then they are sending their MR, medical representative, then they are going to the doctor, they are convincing the doctor to write our product. Okay, so in this way what happened? They are doing the direct marketing. Okay, and the doctor, he will prescribe the prescription, and in this way what will happen? If he find that medicine is working very effectively, so what will happen? He will add the product, and in this way it would be benefited to the patient also, and in this way there would be a goodwill among the company and the product. Okay, so in this way, this is the definitions of IMC, integrated marketing communication. So dear student, we have discussed now only two topic: meaning of IMC and definitions of IMC. The features of IMC. What are the features of IMC? Let us have a glance over our next topic, IMC. IMC is a communication process. It is a communication process. Continuous communication is very important. If suppose you are in the market, you are a businessman, so always do the promotion of your product, so that large number of customer could attract towards your product, they should purchase. And main aim of IMC is to persuade, induce the customer. Okay, for example, buy one and get one free. You might have heard in the D-Mart, Big Bazaar. So what they are doing? They are doing means they are giving the offer. Okay, buy one get one free, 50% discount, flat discount. Okay, buy two one get free, like that. So communication IMC is a communication process. So these advertising agencies, they are doing your promotion. Okay, means they are doing the promotion of the company on behalf of company. Who are the target audience? Target audience are the user. Okay, user, the person who will purchase. Their main aim is to that large number of customer must attract towards their product. They must purchase their product, and when they will purchase the product, in return what will happen? Advertisement agencies, they are getting the money from the company, and company generate good amount of revenue. Okay, next, identify the target audience. Next process, this is the process feature of IMC, our target audience. First let us directly means whenever you are any goods you are preparing in a company, so directly don't means fix the price, cost, branding, positioning. First try to understand, read the mind of the buyers. Okay, try to understand your customer, and as per the needs of the customer, what happened, you have to prepare your goods. Okay, take the example of Michael Dell. You might have heard the Dell computer. So what he was doing, he was giving the means money back guarantee scheme to the customer. If suppose any mistake takes place, any technical problem comes, you will get the in return. Okay, all money you will get return. Forget about the computer. Okay, so in this way he gave money back guarantee. He gave means different schemes, and in this way he did the branding of his product. And that is the fourth largest manufacturer of USA, Dell company. So identify target audience. So you must target your audience. Who will be your audience? Who are suppose if suppose you want to make the promotion of advertisement, so what will happen? First you make the target audience. Okay, if suppose goods is related to the ladies, so who will be the target audience? Ladies. Okay, ladies. For example, cosmetic articles are there, it is for the ladies. So who is the target audience? Ladies. So the company will target towards the ladies only. Okay, now not towards the gents. So the target audience must be very clear in your mind when you are making the advertisement. Who are the target audience? Then ongoing activity. Your ongoing activity is also very important. Ongoing activity, and there is a continuous. So continuous persuasion must be there, and these IMCs, with the help of different these agencies, what will happen? They will do the advertisement, and in this way large number of crowd would gathered there. Then elements. Element means elements. Advertisement. What are the elements of IMC? Advertisement. Sales promotion. They will do the advertisement by putting a billboard. Okay, by giving advertisement in the newspaper, by doing the viral of your product in the social media platform. Sales promotion. I have given the example just now, the MR. Okay, what they are doing? Sales promotion. They are bringing the sample to the doctor, and in this way they are doing the promotion of their product, and in this way salesmen, they are coming to your house, and sometimes they are selling some goods. Okay, and then they will tell you about the advantages of that goods, why it is important, why should you purchase it. Okay, and they will make differentiation. Other companies are charging too much price, we are giving reasonable rate, so you purchase our goods like that way. Okay, then publicity. They are doing the publicity stunt. Okay, public relations and direct marketing. Direct marketing is the example of that salesman only. They are coming to your house, and directly what they are doing? Marketing. They will show you the brochure and of other means goods of their company. Then personal selling. Personal selling is what? If suppose you are doing you are salesman, so what will happen? You are having some goods, so what will happen? You will sell to your friends also. You will send the goods to the house of your relatives, and you will tell them to purchase it. If you like it, you can purchase. Okay, sponsorship. So all these are the features of IMC. Personal selling. Okay, so now let us have a glance on the objectives. Objectives of the IMC. Objectives of the IMC. Create awareness. Okay, whenever we are doing advertisement, so advertisement is the awareness. The aim of this advertisement is to do the awareness and induce target audience. Induce means to convince them to convince them to purchase their product. Induce means convince, persuade, target audience. Then encourage product. So what happened? The main objective is to encourage product. Why should I purchase dairy milk? Why should I not purchase some other brand rather than purchasing dairy milk? Okay, so like that way. So this salesman and these IMCs, okay, in the advertisement, what happened? They are giving different slogan for, okay, for example, Domino's Pizza, hungry kya? Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza. It means what? When the person he will become hungry, then only he will purchase the Domino's Pizza. Okay. So in this way, what happened? He is directly attacking to your instinct, inner instinct, so that you can purchase it. Okay. Pepsi, ye dil mange more. This is the slogan. So advertisement slogan should be very effective. Okay. And for example, LIC. जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी. So like that way they are giving slogan so as to attract a large number of targeted audience, so that they could purchase their product, and in this way the company will generate the revenue. So these are the elements of features of IMC. Now objectives is very clear: create awareness. Next is induce target audience. Target the customer. If you will not target, then other company will come, they will target, and they will they will generate the revenue of your customer. Yeah, and this your rival will become first in the market. So means your presence must be there. Okay, the main aim of the IMC is to realize the consumer that you are there in the market. Okay. Then next, encouragement. Give the sample. If suppose you are misproducing any food item, give, for example, cheap or burger, give them the customer first, taste it. So what will happen after eating it? The customer will give the customer, he will build a strong relationship. He will become loyal to your product. Then he will come to your hotel very often to eat that burger or pizza, whatever it may be, product. Then product trial, give the product for trial. For example, if your company is manufacturing Ariel or surf powder, give them some sample, 100 gram, 50 gram. First you go and check it at your house. It is okay or not. And product trial. So what will happen? In this way, your goodwill will be developed with that product. You will become loyal customer of that company, and company will acknowledge your service by purchasing it. Then stimulate impulse. Stimulate impulse. Just now I give an example. Domino's or Pizza hungry kya? It is an example of stimulate impulse. Directly it is stimulating your impulse. Okay, natural instinct. Then next, differentiate the brand. Differentiate the brand means what? You have to differentiate. Once what will happen if I purchase any product? So what will happen? That salesman, he will tell me, yes, this is a, for example, I give the example of Lux soap. Okay, it is very costly, and Lifebuoy is cheap, 10 to 15 rupees you will get, and that Lux is 40 rupees, 50 rupees. So what will happen? In this way, this advertisement agencies, they are doing the comparison, so that the customer, he get stimulated and he purchase the goods of the company on whose behalf they are doing the advertisement. Then next, in this way they will create the brand image. They will create the brand image. Modify attitudes. They will modify the attitude of the customer. Yes, Lifebuoy is cheap, okay, and it is good, and it is economical. So what will happen? He will be shifted from Lux to Lifebuoy. So in this way, there is a competition is going on and in the market. Then next is a creative. Your advertisement must be very creative. Your advertisement must be a very creative, okay, so that a large number of audience must attract towards your advertisement. Then art and science. Communication is an art and science. So you might have seen the salesman when they are coming, when they are knocking to your door, So what happened, we become very much annoyed. At afternoon, what time you are coming to my house? Go away. So what happened, very politely they are talking to the customer, and that is an art. Communication is an art and it is a science. Okay, so with the help of different bonanza offer, what happened, they will tell you purchase our brand, we will give you the free. If you purchase one, then you will get the coupon, lucky draw coupon, like that way. Different companies, they are giving different offered, and in this way what they are doing, they are running their business. In the ancient time, we were watching the radio and television. So radio and television is the passive medium of communication. So that is why these companies, what they are doing, very often they are doing advertisement. Honda company, Maruti Suzuki company, what they are doing, they are having the product, but what happened, they are giving different kinds of facilities to their customer. When new update they are bringing in their car, so what happened, they are doing the advertisement so as to make realize to the rival competitor that we are alive in the market, we are not dead. Okay, like that, these companies, they are doing this advertisement, and in this way large number of revenues they are generating. So in simple language, once again I would like to conclude that IMC is what? IMC means integrate all the medium of this integrated marketing communication skill is that all the advertising agencies, what they are doing, they are taking the contract of the companies, and on behalf of that company they are doing the advertisement. Okay, so what is the aim? So as to remind the consumer that we are there in the market. Okay, I have given the example of that Narendra Modi. What happened? Ab ki baar Modi Sarkar, wherever we are going. So what happened? If I am coming at home, on the television, I saw same advertisement. When I on my mobile, laptop, internet, there also I am seeing that ab ki baar Modi Sarkar. Then I am going on the way. So what happened on the transportation, in the bus, people are discussing about Modi. So everywhere at the petrol pump, what I am seeing, Modi's hoardings are there. So what happened? So continuous repetition. When continuous repetition comes to in our mind, so it lasts for a longer period of time. Okay, in our mind, it fits in our mind. Okay, yes, so this time Modi government is going to come in our country. Narendra Modi is going to become the Prime Minister of our country. So continuous repetition of advertisement is known as simple language integrated marketing communication. Okay, very simple. Integrated means repetition, large number of advertisement you give. If you are opening any shop, or suppose any product or any company or any firm you are opening, so if you want to do the advertisement of your product, so give the advertisement on a large scale. Social media platform, okay, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. Okay, that is very effective mode of communication. Okay, and second thing is that nowadays people, they are not watching the television, hardly 20% I think, and mostly our populations are shifted towards social media side, social media platform. So in this way, IMC means the instant advertisement. Instant, frequently you have to give the advertisement one after another, so that your rival competitor must know, yes, he is there in the market. So if once you will not Honda company, okay, very popular company, even today also Honda company is giving the advertisement on a large scale. Okay, so although they generate a large number of revenue, but then also what they happen, they are doing the advertisement on a large scale, so as to give the warning to their rival competitor that we are there in the market, our existence are there in the market, so we are ready to compete you, we are ready to bounce back. So in this way, IMC means what? Frequent advertisement which is given to the company advertisement agencies, so they are doing the promotion, and in this way what happened, once the advertisement repeated twice, thrice daily in our mind, so it gets fits in our mind, and in this way it gives a good desired result to that company. So I have given the example of Narendra Modi government, how he came, how he utilized all the tools of advertisement, and he became successful. So this is the first meaning of the IMC means frequent amount of advertisement, frequently you have to give, do the promotion, okay, so so that your presence would be there in the market. Then next definition of IMC we have discussed. So all the tools you have to combine and make the advertisement everywhere. So okay, first meaning is integrating all the promotional tools so that they work in harmony. They work in harmony together. It is an approach used by organization to brand and coordinate their communication efforts. So communication efforts, who is doing that, advertisement agencies, companies. Okay, how they are purchasing. Take the example, Narendra Modi purchased all the television media, all media, mainstream media is working under the control of Narendra Modi. Okay, all the news channels. So in this way, what happened? First they control, they purchased the channel, and all the channel they were doing only one ad, Abki Baar Modi Sarkar. And in this way, what happened? This integrated marketing became very effective, and he came into the power. They did the promotion of all the media channel, NDTV and this Aaj Tak, News 18, okay, News 24, all channels, they do the promotion, and in this way he became popular among the masses. So promotion is very important. Now next definition: coordination and integration of all the marketing communication tools, avenues, routes and sources within a company into a seamless program. Okay, seamless means without any flaw. These agencies, they are doing without any mistake. They will do the advertisement, they will give the slogan, and in this way what will happen? They will attract a large number of customers towards them. That maximizes the impact on consumer, and it is having a very powerful impact upon the minds of the consumer, and consumer will utilize the product, and in this way the company will earn the revenue. So dear student, today we have discussed IMC. What is the meaning of IMC? Definitions of IMC and features of IMC. IMC is an ongoing process. Whatever company it may be, whatever product you are preparing, manufacturing, but thing is that to who is going to convince the consumer? Advertisement, with the help of advertisement agencies, we will reach towards the consumer. Okay, so do the advertisement, do the promotion, so then only you will become victorious in the market world. So these are all other features of IMC. So dear student, if you are having any doubt or queries regarding this topic, then you please give a comment on our comment box section of the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.